Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays. I'm the Flying Russian, and today I'm going to be flying in this massive snowstorm from Minneapolis to Orlando on Delta Airlines on board their 757-300 aircraft in first class. So come along with me and enjoy the ride. Currently, Delta is operating about 6 flights a day from Minneapolis to Orlando and back, mostly on board their A321 aircraft and their 757-300 aircraft. Unfortunately, the 757 aircraft might not be around too much longer, at least for passenger aircraft, as they might be retiring soon. So I highly recommend getting on them while you can. Especially, they make this fantastic roar when they take off, unlike any other airplane. So, highly recommend it, guys. Growing up in Minnesota, I always remember that turn into Minneapolis Airport. Ever since I was a little kid, I was always so excited to go to the airport and fly, and seeing that sign always made me so happy, and also seeing the tails on the other side. Getting through TSA was a breeze. With my Clear and TSA PreCheck memberships, you can combine them together and use them to get right through. Before that, we were at the D gates and ready to board to Orlando on our 757-300 aircraft. I'd like to thank you guys again for joining me today. I'm the Flying Russian, and for future videos, please stick around and subscribe for more, as there is more content coming along the way. I prefer row 6 on the 757-300 aircraft, as there's a wall behind you separating the first class from the comfort, as there's no people walking through consistently if you need to use the restroom, and you can also recline your seat far back as you want without worrying about, someone behind you. Also, you get a fantastic engine view.
North of Orlando. We should beat that in, but as you're getting settled back there, first is if you would just please pay attention to the seatbelt sign. I will try to do my best to honor that, and even when that sign is off, please keep your seatbelts fastened. We do that here on the flight in case we find any unexpected potholes along the way. The other thing I'd like to say is I've been in the airline business over 20 years, and I want to tell you the flight attendants we have here at Delta are truly the best out there, and I honestly do believe that. I consider myself fortunate to call them colleagues. They approach their jobs with graciousness and professionalism, and it's really nice to see that still exists in today's era.
All settled into our seats, little did we know the snowstorm impacting the airport was also going to slow us down quite a bit.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. This is Delta Flight 1604 with service to
much slower. There's an energy in the air. It's excitement, reunion, and renewal. But as we settle into the calm, let's reflect on the gift that is travel. Because the moments we share getting there are rivaled only by being there.
Have you flown on Minneapolis Airport before? If so, tell me about your favorite snowstorm story leaving the airport, or coming into the airport. Either or, down in the comments below.
This amazing flight attendant really did touch our lives. I just felt taken care of.
Final cuts for lab. To release the belt, just at the top of the buckle.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated.
Or destroying Russian smoke detector.
Exits over the wings. 6 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. The 2 smaller doors behind the wings have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. 2 additional rafts are located in ceiling compartments near the 2 smaller doors behind the wings. If necessary, the rear 2 window exits have an escape strap attached inside. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Please take a moment.
If there's a loss of power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, flip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in the compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. Water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children who weigh less than 35 pounds, place the vest around the infant's waist and secure the strap between the legs. Refer to the safety information card for more information. Additional. Before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are adjustable. To review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
As we come to the cabin for our final safety check,
Getting de-iced took quite a while today, as they put an orange coat on, as well as a full green coat. Maybe that's quite normal, but it did take a while, and then they sent the whole army of snowplows onto the runway. Unfortunately, that was the runway that we will be taking off on, so we had to circle the airport for probably about 30 minutes until that runway was cleared and operational. Delta also offers a wide range of Christmas music during the holiday season, as well as many Christmas movies.
Lieutenants, prepare for departure, number 1.
After we were cleared to taxi back to the runway that we were originally assigned, we passed by our de-ice pad that we had sat on for quite a while earlier, and now passing those other airplanes that are going through the same process that we did, we are now heading to take off.
So welcome to our SkyMiles and Medallion members. We appreciate you continuing to trust us with your travel. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please double rounds when you use your Delta SkyMiles credit card from American Express. For payments on board, we encourage contact.
After that powerful takeoff through the snowstorm, we are now having smooth air and ready to relax and enjoy the rest of the flight down to Orlando. For breakfast, I pre-ordered the French toast, as well as my fiance pre-ordering the French toast as well. But unfortunately, the flight attendant had accidentally gave the man in front of me the other French toast, but he had accidentally ate into it already, not knowing that it was the wrong meal. So the flight attendant had to put it away. So my fiance got the chive, and I had the French toast, which is quite delicious. I highly recommend the French toast if you do get this option. It's also named the French toast pudding. Passing over Atlanta, we could see a lot of traffic down below, as well as the whole entire city, as there were no clouds in the area. Before arrival, they passed out another snack, or a snack, sun chips with another screwdriver, which was quite good. Unfortunately, nearing the Orlando area, we experienced these heavy storms, which resulted in us going into a hold for over an hour, which I suppose it's not too bad compared to other flights, but we got to see this amazing wall cloud, I do believe. If not, correct me. But it was quite a sight to see as we circled it for about an hour. So please enjoy this amazing cloud. After holding for a long time, we are now cleared to descend into the Orlando area for landing. Overall, the flight was pretty great. The flight attendants were phenomenal, despite the meal mix-up. And can't predict weather, but other than that, the flight was awesome. 5 out of 5 stars, I'd say, for the flight and the service. Delta Airlines is a pretty great airline. I know there's some reviews out there that say they're not too good, but there's some things that, airlines just can't predict. But other than that, I anticipate to keep flying them, as I'm a Diamond Medallion, and I do get free upgrades to first class for booking economy, and I will continue to do so, and stay loyal to the airline. But not just because of that, guys, I do give honest reviews, and I'd like to thank you guys for joining me again today, and please enjoy this amazing landing on the Boeing 757-300 aircraft.
flight. You can access, view, and make changes to your
booked itinerary and
I'd like to welcome you guys to Orlando. Very rainy here, but it's better than the snow. I'll take it.
this afternoon we're arriving at gate 75.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm the Flying Russian, and as always, please leave a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you love the video, please subscribe for more, as there is more content coming in the near future. Happy holidays, everyone, and hope you stay healthy and safe out there, and we'll see you guys in the next video.